Hi, my name is Peyton Wine. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for Alfa Laval's Tank Cleaning Division. Today I'm going to be talking to you about rotary jet heads and rotary spray heads. Ensuring efficient and thorough sanitation in the food and beverage industry is extremely important to maintain strict hygiene standards. Rotary spray heads and rotary jet heads offer this kind of hygienic standard for the food and beverage industry. When compared to a static spray ball, your rotary spray head can save up to 30% water savings and time, and your rotary jet head can save up to 70% water savings and time. So prior to installing rotary jet head equipment, the customer faced extremely long cleaning cycles, which caused major issues in downtime in between batches and overall product quality. Rotary jet heads can reduce cleaning time by 30%, getting tanks back into production faster and producing better cleaning results. So this is our GammaJet A6. It stands for Aseptic 6. It's a sanitary device that fits through a 3-inch opening. It's designed for the food and beverage and pharma industries. This offers 70% water savings over your traditional static spray ball. You're going to get a full 360-degree reliable, repeatable pattern out of this machine like you would not out of a static spray ball. This is our TJ20G, the Toftiorg device. We use this in sanitary and pharma, food and bev applications. It is a rotary jet head device offering a full 360-degree reliable, repeatable cleaning pattern inside your vessel. Unlike your static spray ball or rotary spray head, you will see 30% to 70% water savings with this device, unlike your static spray ball. So these are your rotary spray head devices. We have your Sani Midget, your Sani Micro, and then your 3A versions for the dairy industry. So there's Peak Plastic here and this easily removable pin connection. Pin styles here are specifically designed for the dairy industry, and they're extremely sanitary and 3A conformant. So those are specifically designed for the dairy industry, while your rotary spray heads here, your Sani Midget, Sani Micro. Rotary spray heads, you see about 30% water savings from your static spray ball. You're going to get a little bit of 360-degree rotary action inside your vessel, along with a sanitary design.